Hi, I'm Miriam Kramer. I'm with Space.com. I'm just wondering how the AMS data compares to what was predicted, or if this was sort of out of the blue, and is the instrument sort of fulfilling the goals that you had hoped for when it was designed initially?
I would say when we first designed the detector, we have hoped to have a sensitivity of 1% accuracy and to have a very good resolution. And we are very happy we managed to achieve this goal. As I mentioned at the beginning, the goal we set for AMS is normally not reached in accelerators, detectors on the ground. To do this in space really is a very challenging thing. So we are very happy we have reached this.
So I know that the AMS was actually canceled, I think, in 2005 before it ended up going on up on the last Endeavour shuttle launch. And I'm just curious, and this is for anybody who'd like to answer it, sort of what does that mean either to you personally or sort of to the agency as a whole?
You guys want to say that? I can just say that I don't know. I guess it teaches us patience is an important quality to have. There were times when we were uncertain about exactly what the future was going to be. We knew the quality of science was pretty strong and was pretty important, and the team hung in there, as I described earlier, and kept kind of pursuing their passion, their dreams, in pretty uncertain and turbulent circumstances. But they kept moving forward, all the teams, and eventually things worked out and we got the instrument on orbit, and you get to see the results today. So I think there's probably a message to all of us when it looks kind of dark and doesn't look like there's a clear path forward. Fix your eyes on that point out in the future and continue moving forward, and keep following your passion, and maybe things will break the right way and you'll get to see the results in the end, and then maybe they're just a tad sweeter that way than they would have been if it would have been a less turbulent path to the results. And
I'd like to add that DOE has been supporting this experiment since inception, I guess in the mid-1990s, and our interaction with NASA has been fantastic. There have been little glitches, but the end product is here for all of us to see, and it's a happy day.
Good. Dr. Ting, sounds like Dr. Ting wanted to add something?
Yeah. I just want to mention we were moved off the manifest in October 2005. I made a mistake coming to NASA headquarters, meet the administrator, and I guess I didn't do my presentation too well. I was told your project is canceled. But even though it was canceled, DOE continued support us. In addition, most importantly, the Spanish, the Germans, the Italians, the Swiss, everybody believe the experiment is so important, we are going to carry it on, like Mr. Gerstenmaier said. I also want to mention, even when we were canceled, we continued to receive support from Mr. Gerstenmaier and from Johnson Space Center, which what made it possible today.
Great, thank you very much.